Hello, sewing people of the internet. If you're new around here, you might not know that I am madly in love with a couple of cats. If you've been watching for a while, you know that. So in this video, I'm going to make some cat toys for my cats. I just want to quickly state this video isn't sponsored by Sailrite. I don't have any formal relationship with Sailrite, but you know, I'm going to talk about them some in this video. Because I'm a fan of theirs. They do occasionally send me a thing every now and then. So, as always, take anything I say with a grain of salt. This project came about because of an email that Sailrite sent out to its customers. So, I can't really make it without talking about Sailrite. So, anyway. So, on Sailrite's website, you can print off this template. This is a pretty simple project. You could probably just do this on your own, but this is a nice beginner project if you're new. So, now I'm going to cut out the paper templates to cut out the fabric pieces. Thank you. If you're new around here, this is Bobbin. Hi, can I have a kiss? Thank you. So the next step is to cut the pattern again on this sew line, and I'll use that to mark the seam allowance on the fabric pieces. There, I made a cat toy. So we left a 1-inch area not sewn to give us room to turn this out. So we'll do that now. Hi, buddy. In the instructions, Sailrite suggests clipping the seam allowance to make it easier to turn it out. I forgot about that on the last one, but I'll try it on this and see if it makes it any better. That was the hardest part of the whole project. Now to stuff the toys, I'm going to use some batting that is in my wife's quilting stash. I think fiberfill is what Sailrite recommends, but you can check the instructions for this project on their website. You're a good boy. Oh, it's not done yet. You got it on your foot. I'm also going to sprinkle some catnip inside. Hold on. Hi. How about if I finish it first, buddy? Hold on. Hold on, buddy. And the last step is just to sew the opening. Thanks, buddy. The last step is to sew the opening closed. Do you mind if I finish this for you, buddy? You could also do this by hand stitching, but I don't do a lot of hand stitching. Now to see if they like it. You can see the poor cats don't have any toys already, so it's a good thing I finally made them some. Here. What do you think of that? Robin, come on. So that was a really easy sewing project if you're a beginner sewist. This might be fun if you have cats, or if you know somebody who has cats or something. But yeah, real easy, fun project, and the cats like it about as much as they like any other toys. At least it was basically free. So if you have questions or comments, post them in the comments section below. If you like this video, clicking like always helps, and if you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. You can also support me by buying merchandise from the link you'll see below. And if you haven't already donated, there's a link to a fundraiser I'm doing for the Cancer Foundation of the Florida Keys. If you can check out that link and make any donation that you can, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks for watching.